Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Scribble Maps and signing in so your work saves automatically. Once signed in, pick a base map style and zoom to the precise area you'll annotate. Next, enable the drawing toolbar and select your first tool, marker for points, polyline for paths, or polygon for areas, then click to place an initial shape. Make sure to name the map now so later edits are organized. This prevents accidental overwrites when you export or share the map. Now focus on adding detailed content. Draw polygons to mark zones, polylines for routes, and markers for points of interest. Once done, organize these elements into separate layers so you can toggle visibility and export specific datasets. Make sure to apply consistent styling. Choose colors, opacities, icon sizes, and line weights to communicate hierarchy clearly. You should also attach notes or images to features for context. That way collaborators see the why behind each annotation when you share the map link. To finish, export or share your map based on how others will use it. Choose KML or CSV for GIS, PNG for visuals, or embed code for web pages. When sharing, set permissions, view, comment, or edit, and copy the link or embed snippet. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot quickly. For example, if an import fails, open your CSV and correct headers, coordinate order, or encoding, then re-import. That usually fixes most issues. Finally, double-check layers and permissions before sending the final link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.